Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm explaining about a doodle which is shown in a few countries for Justine Siegemund, a midwife who dared to challenge patriarchal attitudes in the 17th century. She was the first person in Germany to write a book on obstetrics from a woman's perspective. On March 18, 1690, the European University Viadrina Frankfurt certified her book, The Court Midwife, as an official medical textbook. During a time when few women had access to formal education, Siegemund became the first woman to publish a seminal medical text in German. Siegemund was born in 1636 in Rostock, Lower Silesia. As a young woman, she had prolapsed uterus that ill-informed midwives misdiagnosed as pregnancy. This frustrating experience inspired her to become a midwife herself and improve obstetrical education. After an apprenticeship, Siegemund began her career in midwifery by offering free service to underprivileged women. She soon became known for her ability to safely guide women through difficult births, and word spread quickly to expecting women across the country. Siegemund accepted an official position as city midwife of Liegnitz in 1683 and later became the court midwife in Berlin, where she delivered children for the royal family. She also published The Court Midwife during the time and greatly improved the maternal and infant health in Germany. Apparently, in Germany, midwives largely passed down their knowledge through oral tradition. There wasn't a standardized way to document safe birth practices. The Court Midwife was the first to offer a comprehensive guide on childbirth in Germany. Thank you, Justine Siegemund, for settling the foundation for modern childbirth education. Your legacy still inspires physicians to take the page out of your book to make labor and delivery safer for all. She died on November 10, 1705 at Berlin in Germany. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.